entering our room in Meridian, New Delhi. Hi, this is me and this is my OOTD. So this is the room. We just checked in. We got an early check-in, which is like really good. They accommodated us our request, last minute request. So this is the room. There's a bed and then there's also a TV. Then there is a study desk with a chair. The chair looks a little fancy. There's also one lounger kind of a sofa this side with a footrest, and there's also a side table. It's a nice lamp, wall lamp, and then there are two bedside lamps also. And then this opens up to this nice view. This has the main street view. So it looks really nice. We are on the 9th floor. So yeah, we are getting a nice view from here. You can see kind of like part of Delhi from here, Connaught place, that area this is in. And then if we see beside the TV, there are again two lights giving a nice, cozy vibe to the room. And say hello.
Hello.
Okay, and then we can enter the bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom. It's also nice and cozy. It's not huge, but this has all the necessary stuff. We put on the lights. So there are a lot of lights in the bathroom. It looks really nice. There's the basin area, and then you have some storage also on the side. So in the bathroom there's a lot of storage. On beside the basin there's like a lot of drawers. So everything, all necessaries stuff is here. You have your shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, everything is here. Like you have any standard nice hotel. There's hair dryer. There's also water in here. Here's the WC, and then you have the intercom here, just in case you're getting a call if you're in the bathroom. And then here is the shower area. This is the shower area, and here is the shower area, and then this has also this towel rack, which is gives more like beach vibes. Although we are not in a beach or in a resort kind of a stuff, but yeah. And then there's also a small cabinet. I would not say it's very huge or fancy, but it's a basic 2-door cabinet, and it has like a safe locker, and then there's some slip-ons and all of that. So this is it. And then obviously there's also a table, your luggage table, where you can keep your luggage and open it and all. It has a nice marble finish. The look is really good. This room I would not say is huge or extravagant, but the finishing is really nice. They have tried to really upscale it with the finishing. So it has a blue like kind of a background behind the bed. So that's the room. So this will be our stay for the day. We are moving out tomorrow. So